That was so dumb. When does an acorn stop being a tree? When it stops being an acorn. Okay. Like first it's an acorn. Then it's a seed. Then it's a sapling. Well, first it's a sprout, then it's a sapling. And then it's a tree. Yeah. Put me into the sky. I was fine. I cook meat and gems. How does it smell like fruit? Whatever. The mended wounds. After all. Only when they're ripened hearts before you know it. It sounds really morbid. Queens ages ago. Yeah. Fun. Anyways, I did make an iron knife. I was the base for the third friggin' time. Let's go show Poe our knife, which, yeah, doesn't sound as friendly as it's going to be. Usually when you say you're gonna show someone your knife, it's not a very good thing. They want it, so it's okay. Like I went back in an actual house instead of this construction site. My health has not been good since coming here. Not anything particularly wrong, but you probably noticed a whole lot more coughing. It's probably just because it happened so suddenly I can't cut it out. But also there's just a lot more of it. I'm not playing Simon Says. Go away. The heck was that? I mean, I heard the spider, but what was the second part? Did you see when I was doing that vault a while ago? That someone was somehow bumping themselves up in the air. Trying how to do that. But I don't. That's the best we got. Alright. Here, I got an iron skinning knife. Yes. Virginia. Fair enough. But as doomed as I. Call me Virginia. uh... uh... I guess I am not. I am not. He has building since yesterday, but yesterday 40 years ago. uh, can't chuckle without freaking coughing now. It's the very vitality we were going. No, but negligence has doomed my mind. Rot under this curse. Curse storing ink drawn from blood. Yeah, let's see. Rarity to the curse. Possibility to turn away. Fortify my prison with barricades. My sort of comforts of home. My balance of means to craft ink. Okay. It's a writing desk. I hate you all. I gotta go back to my base again. This game is not recording friendly. Oh, cool. I never ripped my shirt. I swear I did. Well. Let's at least track the quest. Wow. This is bloody awful. I'll do this later. That's fine, he's been cursed for 40 years already. He won't mind. Ridiculous. Look, I'm thinking of it. Do that, but eh. 5 ornate bolt action rifles and 10 bread. Oh, this is crazy. Pyromania challenge. What is that? Oh, apparently I already did this 7 times. Oh well. That's to unlock better grenades, I think, but I don't really care about grenades. Yeah, it's not much else for me to do besides, I guess, vaults. At least there's nothing to benefit me. I mean, honestly, the most productive thing I can do is probably move my chests around. Oh, who dat? Someone messaged me on Discord. Oh. Hello.
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 Don't be inside.
What's up?
Just about to get on.
Go.
Yeah, I need to finish up my house.
Yeah, I just went to the Hallowed Marsh. Figured I'd learn all of the offerings there.
Hmm.
All in all, a lot of gems. One's like 5 fabled meat and 3 gems. One's a cape aloe seed, a cut gem, a normal gem, and I don't remember the last thing. An ingot. Another one's a cut gem and a bunch of random shit.
What are you doing right now?
No idea.
Well, when I log
Probably
in, you
about to
want
go
to see my
mining.
house?
Sure.
It's not done.
I mean,
I
that was
mean,
mine, so that's fine.
it's built, but there's a section that's flat that I'm going to build on. That's going to be the upper floor, which is going to be like the bedroom.
Yep.
Gotta make a
It's gonna be
lens. I gotta
interesting.
make fasteners.
If it makes you feel any better, I plan on replacing my entire house. Every single wall. It's gonna suck.
It doesn't make me feel better.
Who dat?
Yeah.
Howdy.
Here's a
It's
Chris.
Big Chrissy. What's up, man?
Having a beer.
Say what?
You said what's up, and I said having a beer.
At 3 o'clock.
Yes. I just got off a word from
Boy,
mowing.
you better have a second one in the other hand for me.
They are nerds.
Takes one to know one.
Ooh.
Nah, I'm just very familiar with you guys being nerds.
Takes one to know one, and I know many people, like your brothers. And they're all a bunch of nerds.
I'm always torn between putting the frickin' Lacunas ingots and such in my ingot chest or in my mob drops chest.
Yeah, I stopped organizing, just shoved it everywhere.
Heresy.
Wrong game.
Still heresy.
No, it's not.
Heresy.
If it has auto crafting, I don't need to look in my chest. It's pretty much not heresy.
Still heresy.
I think you're just jealous.
Of your heresy?
You have to go looking for your chest instead of just placing it in an empty one.
No, I don't. It's all named.
You still gotta look for that name.
I mean, not really. I'm pretty used to where all of them are.
Okay, I gotta turn this down. What's wrong, Steam? Daddy wasn't there. Take me to the fair. Change my underwear. Daddy wasn't there.
More pumpkin, motherfuckers. Bring it.
You like pumpkins? Apparently.
Like pumpkins.
Freaking Edgar Allan Poe gave me blood. Black
He
pudding.
gave you black pudding.
Yep, which is blood pudding.
Yeah, I know what it is. It's gross.
Yeah. But yeah, listen to this quest that I finally got after all that garbage. Build 4 unsprung traps. Build an ink making set. Build a modest single bed. Build 2 log barricades. Build an elegant dining chair. Build a poet's writing desk. What the hell?
Oh, no.
I don't want to do all that shit. I just want to stop coughing.
Same here, man.
Dude, what the fuck am I doing this? When I could just charge up my fucking pickaxe to hit the fucking thing with one hit.
Don't know. Why aren't you doing that?
I just might switch over to hands and fireballs. Anybody with me? Fireball! Instead, we can make them really big, so I want to see how big they can get.
Pretty big.
I don't want pretty big, I want mostly big.
They are mostly pretty big.
No pretty. Huge. Like
Tough
using
shit.
like the least manliest word ever to describe a fireball. No. Imagine, okay, Cannon, D&D character. A giant Goliath wizard. And all it needs is just one fireball.
I forgot to refill my watering can last time.
Yes, it can.
I wish you could build like rain collectors or something.
Don't they have that? I thought I saw that.
I don't know. I can't even find where people are getting kitchen sinks.
Probably in the tier 3 section.
I didn't see it there.
Probably the tier 2 section.
I didn't see it there either.
Probably the tier 4 section.
There's no tier 4 section. You gotta find all those. I didn't know the merchants were selling it. But yeah, that's the one thing about my base location is I have to run all the way down to that freaking pond.
You need coral.
I don't need water for my watering bucket. I just told you that.
Coral. Okay, I'm lagging. Why are you building? Where am I?
Why are you building? Where am I? Yes,
Okay.
those are definitely words I want to hear my friend say.
I think Lee finished the door while I was still trying to walk out it, and it lagged me outside and threw me back inside.
Fair enough. That would explain the where am I part.
And the building part.
Yeah. Did you know there was dispel grenades? Yeah. Was that the tools, an ingot, and a wick? I think that's how we fight the Carnute. Might try that. There's a Carnute right out front of my house. Where the hell did I get dispel grenades?
What did it dispel?
I think you can use it to dispel the Carnute's cloaking. Let's see. Hey, if I throw this at you, will you get mad? It worked.
You got mad?
I don't think he's mad. He's just visible.
Alright, I made gunpowder.
You really like this rock, don't you? Ethel! You can't just murder the dude, Ethel. I was trying to talk to that.
He looked at you and said, "Oh, that sounds like a you problem."
She just looked away from me.
Like I said, it sounds like a you problem.
Ugh.
And
Oh,
I
well.
got a lot of ingots.
Huh. Well, apparently Carnutes are really good for melee damage. Of course, not that one, because that was a tier 1. Because I wasn't planning on killing that. Also, I have no idea where I got these dispel grenades. I'm assuming it was from one of my quests, but I wasn't paying enough attention. Oh, hey, you're too close to my house. Come here. Stabbed it in the butt and it died. Fair enough. That was the wrong animation. That's some grilled fish. So how far did you guys get in the quests and such?
I haven't played since last night.
Yeah. Same.
Fair enough. I apparently forgot to upgrade my shirt. I'm doing that now.
I'm currently running through the bunker in Magwitch.
I remember mag witches. My grandma used to make them all the time. You know, not fun.
Challenges, but none of them actually give anything interesting. Huh. I don't remember what I planted there, but they are interesting. Oh, those are snapdragons. Okay, okay.
This house is a clusterfuck.
Oh, that reminds me. May as well be in a party.
No, you want to come see the house?
Sure. Let me just do something real quick. I said let me just stow some things real quick.
No, that's not a thing where you can just accept it anytime.
No, nope, sadly not. Pops up around
Wow.
your screen. That is the ammo chest. This is the gear chest.
I need lumber.
I also had to turn the stove off. I cooked 8 fish, now I have 11 fish. Okay, you can send the invite. Yeah, I need to build a little shack with the Regency stuff just to see what it looks like. See if I actually want to tear down my entire manor and use it. It looks pretty, but things like this always end up too brown.
I'm a little racist.
That sounds like a you problem.
No, I got a problem with you being racist.
God damn it, Danny.
What? You walked right into that.
You freaking nerd. Gonna be honest, it kind of fits. I'd probably
I don't even
replace
know where you
the...
are.
Look up.
Oh, there you are.
I'd probably replace that second story single wall with a window, though.
Yeah, I'll be at. Go inside and look at the fuck.
I'm looking at the missing triangle. But okay.
No, that's purposely there.
Why?
Because I wanted it to be unique. Did he finally perish? I don't see his name anymore in the wall.
I was just thinking, where's Grover? They were
I don't
building
want to break
around
the
him or
wall.
something.
This stuff is expensive. Oh yeah, I built a box around him with the roof, and then I built around him for my tool shed area. And up here is where I'm gonna make the bed. That's a little shack right up here. Oh hey, there's Grover. He
Yeah.
escaped. Well, let's fix that. You wanna give me a hand?
Can you not just deconstruct it?
Oh, I guess you can. Well, I didn't know that. You know, planter box.
Yeah, I think that's the same thing that happened with Myra ages ago. She just ended up on my roof. And just lived up there for a while.
Well, I guess he doesn't get a hole.
Damn, you're
I mean,
so
a roof. He doesn't get a roof.
Fair enough.
But he could have half walls.
Yeah, for some reason, Cass decided to make his base in the church.
Because he's edgy.
Just okay.
Alright, I'll be back.
Like, if you're using a pre-built structure, you could literally just take the mayor's house.
Mm-hmm.
As Danny did with all these weathered trunks out front. The hell is that? Leather, etc. There is no leather. There's a little bit of leather. Why do you have a simple saw table next to a refined saw table? Why do you have two textile stations? And a refined and this is confusing me. Why do you do this? The 3 sewing benches. I don't think Danny knows that the higher tier ones do all the lower tier stuff too. Ah well. While I'm in his Sylvan's Glade, I'm gonna go steal his copper. The heck was the copper again? Copper and tin. Nice. Quartz too. It was like ages since I went back to Sylvan's Glade. So Chris, you ever finished running the gauntlet? Still there? Apparently not.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't usually watch the videos unless someone follows up on a question about it. Then I'll know it's like, oh, okay, they're interested in this. Let me see what's going on.
Yeah. That was apparently a dude saw Alexander, got horny, and now he wants to screw all of his cooking utensils.
Hey,
It's
Chris,
What?
I got a question for you.
What?
How powerful do you think Saltfire would get if he was turned into a space marine?
he'd
Yes.
probably just die.
Yes.
Uh,
No, like Calcan had zero faith.
no, it's like, have you seen how big a space marine is?
Yeah. It's mostly mechanical.
That's after the Rubicon surgery. They actually are just horribly mutated. What's the word? They're horribly mutated clones, which are like packed with extra organs and weird muscle tissue.
How about let me elaborate?
Okay. So take
my
Saltspire's
Saltspire.
gene seed. That's what
My
you're saying, right?
Saltspire. The one with the two-handed hammer is my Saltspire, not basic Victor.
I mean, he's
Warrior.
still a dude.
I heard none of that. What?
I mean, he'd still just be a dude.
Nah, I'm pretty sure Saltspire has some kind of.
Why don't you do that?
magical power. There's nothing normal
So-
about Saltspire. Hell, even Barger could be a space marine.
Barden.
I think dwarves are extinct in 40k.
Yeah, dwarves are extinct in 40k, unfortunately.
Oh, don't you want to be the last remaining survivor?
You know?
Yeah, so basically to get a Salt Spire Space Marine, you would need to take his gene seed and put it through the cloning process mixed with a whole bunch of other things to have his weird, giant, multi-organ Salt Spire dude. And then if you wanted to go further than that, then it would also have to survive the Rubicon surgery to make him an Astartes.
Which you will.
You know, I think I honestly think Victor could survive the Rubicon surgery.
I mean, yeah, that's probably the easiest part. The hard part would be telling him to jizz in a jar to get it all started.
Dude, you seen the rat in his spare bedroom? Are you sure about that? I repeat, are you sure?
I will leave harvesting to you.
Insert John Cena meme here. Are you sure about that?
That is such an old meme.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, you're old.
Oh, get old. I'm trying to have to make some metal plates.
Oh, random ass heartbeat. I can't actually remember what year that meme was from. Was that back in 2012?
I think so.
Damn, that's 12 years ago.
Oh no, I mean it's only like 5 of each shit.
Oh, dice you with this knife. Oh. Yeah, I'm just trying to eat and this thing spins vomit all over me. Gross.
Why do I need buttons?
Earth is this? Ah, that's actually pretty brutal. I'll check what this fabled hunt is first and then go to the transmuter. Oh shit, it's the blood food. That's what's going on.
Hell yeah.
I was like, why is my HP so low and why am I not healing? Okay, so I think this is a fabled fen rat. Yeah, I don't need that either. I'm trying not to kill a bunch of these hunts because I want to farm a spider. Or a harpy. Preferably a harpy. I hear pumpkin spawns. But I don't see pumpkin spawns. There they are.
There's no.
I recently finished part of the quest to kill 250 of them. So the next thing I'll get is at 500. But we all know why we really kill them. pumpkin spice.
Yeah, I
Mhm.
agree.
Yeah, I think Kaz wants the pumpkin head, but that's that's the full 1,000. Okay, so this is also not the correct one. More pumpkins. Why are you running away? Slowed because of the freaking ankle deep water. Okay. Next one is there, and there's 2 at the bottom. It feels oddly suited, them doing all of this with a big ass hammer too. Crushing pumpkins with a hammer. Dang it, they aggro the kangaroos. Actually, the kangaroos just scattered. Never mind. Yeah, honestly, the way I've been fighting most of these guys is the ascended swamp hunts. I just wish they'd actually charge you instead of running away. Down there.
All these hands. Fucking.
Oh. Okay. I think that's the spider I'm looking for. So there's 2 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. Perfectly was able to mark all of them.
There, now that's a proper look.
Freaking lag. E for spheres, yes. Come on. Get mad. Yeah, he's not doing his weird raising it back up. Darn. Like that doesn't work anymore. Ah well. It was worth testing. would my umbrella not work there? Hold on. That might have worked after all. Yeah, let's see what these guys are first.
Yeah, fuck.
Yeah.
Put that on this top shelf. One hand, that one big.
Alright. This is mine.
Alright, that's the weird hippo thing. Slightly to the north. Come on, Harpy. Rogue. That is Rogue. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Umbella. What the heck is he doing here? Do I care to kill him? Quit falling over. Are you not going to charge me? There we go. That was interesting. Wasn't a fable to Mbaba though. activating. Okay, now there's two over there. Straightforward. I should find it. Okay. One of these two. Oh, bunch of friendlies. Okay, so that's what we don't need. Little north. idea how much freaking spider chitin I should collect to make an outfit. Probably keep going until I get like 100.